What if I told you you could build a YouTube channel that earns money 24/7 without showing your face, without ever recording yourself, without buying a camera? Sound too good to be true, right? That's exactly what I thought too, until I saw regular people doing it. People with no film school experience, no fancy gear, and no existing followers. They are just using call it YouTube automation, and it's quietly turning simple, faceless videos into full-time incomes. Take the channel Brandy does, a faceless YouTube channel posting animated self-improvement content. According to Social Blade, they are estimated to be making $10,400 to $167,000 per month just from ad revenue. Another is Top Things, another motivational channel using stock footage and voiceovers. The earning estimated at $3,500 to $55,000 per month depending on videos views and CPM. CPM stands for cost per 1,000 views. Here's the crazy part. They are outsourcing the hard parts, writing scripts with AI, using stock videos and voiceovers, and letting the YouTube algorithm do the heavy lifting. It's smart and scalable, and it's something you can start today. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know: how to pick a profitable niche, how to create bangy-worthy content without filming yourself, how to get views using YouTube SEOs, and how to turn those views into well consistent income. Even if you're just starting out, no fluff, no fake promises, just a clear actionable roadmap you can follow. Because this is not about going viral overnight. It's about building digital real estate that pays you over time. Let's dive in and get your channel off the ground. Step number 1, pick the right niche. First, let's talk about choosing the right niche. A niche is the category your video will fall under. It's important to choose something that interests you because honestly, if it's boring to you, you will quit. But interest alone is not enough. You need a niche that's profitable, something advertisers are willing to pay for. Some of the best niches with high earning potential include health, wealth, relationship, technology, travel, happiness, motivations. The trick is to narrow down your niche. For instance, instead of just wealth, you could focus on budgeting for student or beginner crypto tips. The more specific you are, the less competition you face, and this can help you grow faster. Pro tips: now niches help you gain traction earlier because there is less competition. This will give you an edge in the beginning. Step number 2, create videos without filming yourself. Now here's the most exciting part: creating video without filming yourself. Here's how you can do it. Number 1, video ideas. Start by searching YouTube for trending content in your niche. Look for video that gets a lot of views. You can also use AI tools like TubeMagic to generate endless video ideas. Number 2, script writing. Use tools like TubeMagic, Script Creators, or ChatGPT to quickly generate script or outlines. Outlines are great because they save time, just filling in the blanks and you are ready to go. Number 3, voiceovers. You can record your own voice using a simple phone or use AI voices like 11 Labs. Just make sure the voice sounds natural and not robotic. Number 4, visual. You can use stock videos from Storyblogs, OBS from Screen Recorder, or even Google Slide for explainer-style videos. The key is to keep it dynamic and engaging. Number 5, editing. Editing is crucial, and CapCut is a free beginner-friendly tool that works on both PC and mobile devices. It's powerful and it's simple to use for quick edits. Number 6, thumbnails. Thumbnails are your first impression, so make sure they are eye-catching. Use tools like Canva, Paint.net, or hire someone on Fiverr to create engaging thumbnails. The goal is to spark curiosity. With all of those tools, you can create engaging videos without ever showing your face on camera. Number 3, get views with YouTube SEOs. Now that you have got your video ready, let's talk about getting views, and YouTube SEO is the key to that. Here's how to do it. Number 1, keyword research. You want to find keywords with high search volume and low competition. Tools like vidIQ and TubeMagic can help you find those keywords easily. Number 2, titles. Your title needs to be clear and include your keyword. Make sure it makes the viewers want to know more and ask themselves what happened next. Number 3, description. The first 100 to 150 characters of your description are crucial because that's what shows up in search results. Add your keyword early in the description. Number 4, tags. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Always include channel tags to help YouTube recommend your videos to more people. Bonus tips. Tools like TubeMagic Wrap Upload can automatically generate your video metadata for you. Just upload the video as unlisted and let it handle the rest. YouTube SEO is all about helping the algorithm understand what your video is about and who it should be shown to. Step number 4, how to make money from your channel. Okay, now the fun part, monetizing your channel. There are several ways to earn money. Number 1, AdSense. This is the most common ways to make money. Once you have got views, ads will place on your videos. Niche like finance and tech generally pays better for ads. Pro tips. Make sure your videos are at least 8 minutes long so you can add multiple ads breaks. Number 2, digital products. You can sell ebooks, courses, templates, or tools. Those are great because they have low overhead costs and can generate a high profit margin. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Promote other people's product and earn a commission, sometimes 50% or more. This is a great if you don't want to create your own product. Number 4, sponsorships. Once you hit around 10K subscribers, brands will start reaching out for sponsorship. They will pay you to promote the product. You can do all 4 of those at the same time. In fact, most successful YouTubers do. So there you have it, your blueprint for starting a YouTube automation business and make money without ever showing your face. The best part, you don't need to be a tech expert or spend a ton of money to get started. With a little creativity, the right tools, and consistency, you can start building your channel and generating income today. Remember, consistency is key. Keep experimenting, learning, and as your channel grows, so will your opportunities. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable tips on growing your online business. Drop a comment down below. If you have any question, I would love to hear about your progress and help out. And don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today and watch your channel grow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace. Bye.